you are wondering why I did the sequence twice, is the first time around, you torque it down and do a 90 degree because you want to do a stretching process. You use new bolts, you never use the old ones unless you got ARP. But you get the bolts, and you have to stretch them. And that's basically what I did. So you stretch them, then you, after you stretch them, you back them out, and that's when the real torsion comes into play. All right, so while Boog's doing, he's just checking the torque specs just out of curiosity, see how much it's torqued down to, because it only does 290 degrees, so nobody really knows.
70.
So while he's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the timing chain and the guides in the front, so we can close up the front timing cover and then put the oil pan on after that.
Okay.
We got the cam holding tool, so we can take off the front sprockets.
So now we already torqued this down to 88 foot-pounds. I think it was 82 to 95 foot-pounds, and now we can release that. Go ahead, bud. Show them how to. Oh, hold on. Let me get that. Bam!
Yeah.
Now we got the tensioner in. Now we're gonna put this sprocket on. I believe that's the same 88.
We'll double check, but I'm pretty sure.
Double check on the torque spec on that one, but we could do that. Gotta do the same to the driver's side head. Then we're on to the timing. Trev's double checking on the torque spec over there.
I'm not getting any luck either.
Keep it on that for a good solid 7 minutes, 35 seconds and counting. So we're trying to see it. The book so far doesn't show, but this is 88 foot-pounds. He wants to verify that this is 88 foot-pounds because the little diagram on the book don't show this one at all. So,
or should we just send it? I think we should send it.
That's Boog, the little devil on your shoulder. And I'm the little angel telling Trav, you want to make sure that you're right before we do this again.
Hey man, look, try to listen as best you can. They jamming out upstairs, or not upstairs, but up the hill on the neighbors. So we got everything timed, and now we're just torquing down these primary tensioners.
The neighbors over there getting down, so
hey man, they jamming.
We went ahead and put this sprocket like we spoke about. See right there, a little timing mark. Same thing up there. I don't think you can see the timing mark on there, but it's there. And all of these are at 6 o'clock. So everything is all timed. Trav's over here jamming out. We got the tensioners put in along with the guides. Everything's looking good. Hey.
Bitty bitty bum bum.
We gotta get this off or the trademarks start happening.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
Got him.
What's the plan after this?
Timing cover.
Timing cover. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, I mean, timing cover. We gotta clean that up a bit. Not too sure if Trav's gonna want to get that repainted. I'll go along with this brand new motor right here. Don't mind this right here.
Yeah man, everything looked good except this.
So
if I would have known that the new ones weren't gonna line up, I would have had them freaking hot tank these two.
yeah, so Trav got the whole timing kit to pretty much rebuild all of this together, but the other guides in here, all 4 of them actually didn't line up right with these dowel pins. So he went ahead and reused the old ones, but got the new, are those kind of bushings or something like that?
I call them bushings.
Something like
Timing
that.
chain guide bushings.
So now we got all this torqued down. We're gonna go ahead and get it covered up, and then that way we can do the oil pan some other day, but it'll be good to go.
All right, this is the moment of truth right here. Got everything ready, everything timed. And to check that, you gotta have to spin it. Make sure you don't get any hiccups. And nothing comes up, you on time. All that nasty old timing chain kit, man. It's just nasty. That was kind of clean. When I sent it in, he freaking cleaned it for me. Had to stop and pick these up. So it's about 60, 70 bucks in sensors. You got the camshaft sensor or positioning sensor, crankshaft positioning sensor, the oil pressure sending unit right there. There go the old one. That thing look nasty. Put that on. I'm gonna put these on to this. All right, we got a little excited. Forgot to record the timer cover process getting put on, but all the bolts ran. Both sensors are hooked up. Got the new front main seal. So now, you know, I'm trying to show you guys the water pump install since we couldn't do the timing cover. When you do it, use spit. Spit is the best thing to lubricate anything. Get spit. Spit will get you far. Bang like that. You just massage it in.
Couple hours later, this thing is finally
Ready to drop it. No.
this thing is finally looking a little bit normal again. So the head got torqued down, got the timing chains in, sprockets, everything timed, timing cover, water pump. What else did we do?
All the sensors.
Yeah, we did the sensors, the camshaft sensor, and then the crankshaft positioning sensor, motor mounts down there, the oil filter adapter. I think that's that adapter. I don't know. That right there. Proper term on it, not too sure, but you get the deal. Got everything torqued down and good to go. We got the little backplate back here is looking very nice and clean. Look at that. Got to swap out that rear main seal, but outside of that, this is the end result of a Saturday night. So there it is. Look at the difference between this right here, nice rebuilt, painted, everything redone, and then what it looks like after a decade of driving. Actually over 2 decades of driving. This is Trav's other motor for another SN95 Cobra he has, but
You make sure you guys stay tuned for that.
on the big plans for that one, we'll make sure to document that real good. Can't tell you exactly what it is, but it might have to do with a little bit of boost.
Just a couple more steps till this motor is sealed. We got the valve covers, oil pan, and the plenum. The valve covers, I'll probably send to a powder coating spot because I don't got time right now to strip down all the paint, repaint it. You know, another thing is probably cheaper. So I'll get those handled. The plenum I haven't checked yet to see if I want to repaint it or not, but the oil pan I'm working on right now, along with the oil filter housing / lower radiator hose housing. I'm just gonna get those cleaned up and then I'll slap those on. But pretty much this is the rest of the motor. Now I'm gonna finish the driver's side header, and I'll get the oil cooler housing on after that. So clean the surfaces, make sure no oil mess up your seal.
Like right there. I don't know what kind of oil could have been on there, but
the freaking when we lay it down like that.
all the oil that sweeps out.
Yeah, that one that sits in the freaking.
Also, if anybody knows what that does right there, I don't understand the purpose of that.
What?
Is that just for the flywheel?
Where?
That cap.
Oh shoot! Probably to freaking open it up without taking the tranny apart and looking in there.
Yeah. So there's a black plastic rubber cover on the block. Not exactly sure what it's from, but it's there. And if any of y'all know, let us know.
The purpose of it.
I mean, it seems logical that it's just to check the flywheel or something, but those brand new headers ordered from Ford Performance.
You know, I had to do everything brand new at this motor.
Brand new, specially painted rust bolts.
Those are hard to come by. It's custom color right there. Last night the battery died, but I got the oil filter cooler housing on. Right now we're letting this dry, that black on. While that's drying, I'm gonna try to take this off because I can't have this looking like this on the car. A little bit forward, looking nasty. Right. It's the clean product. Time to throw some paint on it.
About to go in. See, Bug is being very careful.
Very.
Stop
my motor, so.
I was a bit surprised by this, but this one does not actually have a actual gasket. There it goes. There goes Torn over there yelling in the background. Sorry about that. We don't condone cussing in this channel, but we do it from time to time. Got that in there. If this leaks, Trav, you know why.
Book did it.
I picked double silicone. Double.
You hear that?
I don't think you could go wrong with double silicone.
Hey, Bug, you put silicone on this man's forehead too?
I should.
Beautiful that looks. You gotta be like Torn. Oh, look.
Yada yada yada.
Ooh.
Get to the point. Shut up.
Got that S going on, baby.
Don't mind Torn over there. He over there recording. Don't mind that bird shit on Trav's forehead either.
Silicone.
It's a hard man at work.
Tommy,
Are you jacking bolts for that?
hey, I'm jacking my own self.
Nigga, how do you use these bolts?
He's not organized. He's not.
I'm very organized.
Well, how'd you lose these bolts?
He'd be like, when you take off bolts, you want to put them back where they belong so you don't lose them. Still lost them.
Yeah, that's what happens when you let other people work on your car with you.
I didn't touch your oil pan.
We didn't
Was I accusing anybody?
You touched your oil
I
pan.
didn't accuse you.
I know who you're trying to accuse of.
I never said anything about you. You feeling guilty?
No, my motor. Fuck it.
That'll do it for tonight. Got the baffles taken off. Get it ready for the powder coating. When they sand, ooh, that's nasty. But when they sandblast this and you got those on there, it comes back powder coated looking good. But got a whole bunch of sand in them, so Take it off, prevent that. Hopefully this is the last thing I gotta do. Get the motor complete.